Hey there guys, Erica here from Highway 49 RC. I think most of you probably know at this point that I am a bit nuts for vintage brushed motors. I've even been given the nickname Crazy Brush Girl. I think that's what it was. If it wasn't, correct me. But recently someone messaged me on Instagram. They're like, hey, I've got a bunch of old motors. I'm not really sure what they're worth. Can you maybe help give me a starting point for what to post them on eBay for? So I was like, sure. Send me a picture and let's take a look at what you got. They sent me the picture, my jaw dropped to the floor. Just amazing, clean motors. I could not believe it. I snagged up about half of them. I don't know, you guys just gotta see them to know. Let's take a look. This is what made my jaw drop when I first saw them. From the top here, we've got a diamond 12-turn double, it's a Speed Gems 2, got a Speed Gems 2 Opal 10-turn triple, a Speed Gems Pro Pyrite, it's a 10-turn double, a Pro Kryptonite 9-turn double, and for the original Speed Gems, we've got a diamond 12-turn double, an onyx, which is a 14-turn double, and a sapphire, which is a 17-turn single. I think you guys can probably tell these things are crazy clean. This guy in particular. Look at just how gorgeous that sapphire is, you guys. Looks like it's almost never been run. You guys can't really see the comm in there, but the comm looks like it's either been well taken care of or barely used at all. End bell is super clean. The brushes are good. Just, man, everything about this motor is absolutely stunning. I don't think I'm going to have to do much rebuilding to it to get it up to my standards. Same with the onyx here. The onyx, also very good condition in terms of the can. The end bell is a little bit dirty, but that's about it that I can say for it negatively. Everything else on it looks good. The brushes look good. The comm also looks well taken care of. The diamond here is in a little bit worse condition. The end bell's a little bit more mucked up. It's a little more chewed up. It's more dirty. It's definitely been well loved and probably raced quite a lot. The brushes are pretty much worn out on it, and the terminals are pretty mucked up with solder from all the different vehicles that this has clearly been in over the years. The Speed Gems Pro Kryptonite here looks pretty good from this angle. Sticker's nice and clean. There's some scratching here, but I'm not so worried about that because it's not intruding on the actual art on the sticker itself. There's a little bit of like pitting over here, but otherwise it looks pretty clean. The end bell looks really nice. It's definitely dirty, so I'll have to get that cleaned up, but you know, that's no issue for us, of course. Brushes on that, they're probably about half worn out, and the comm needs to be turned. Definitely needs to be turned. The Pro Pyrite here, also great condition. Probably a little more average, but again, nice and clean. End bell looks good. Comm also needs to be turned. Brushes are about probably half worn out from what I can tell, but another just gorgeous motor to add to the collection. Now on to the Speed Gems 2 motors. Got the Opal here. Can, sticker, end bell, great condition. A little bit of dirt and such, but you know, nothing we can't handle. Comm on it. Let's see if I can see it. These ones are hard to see the comm on quickly, so we'll have to take a look at that once I rebuild it. Brushes, about half-life on them. Super excited to get this one rebuilt. It's gonna look awesome. And finally, the Speed Gems 2 Diamond. It's a 12-turn double motor, as I mentioned. End bell is a little bit messy. It's got a lot going on there. Definitely some stuff we could clean up. Brushes look pretty new. Hard to see the comm once again, but the sticker and the can are nice and scratch-free. Doesn't look like it's been raced super hard at all. Nor has any of these other motors except for the Diamond and the Kryptonite, as I was mentioning. But yeah, another great motor. Super excited to get this one rebuilt. For some of you, it's definitely like, man, what the hell? It's just a bunch of motors. Like, we get it. For me, it is absolutely exciting to see these motors, and stuff like this Sapphire, just unbelievably clean, gorgeous motor. I don't even know if I'm going to touch it in terms of a rebuild, because it is just is perfect to a T. So, I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to get the rest of these rebuilt and cleaned up and looking nice and pretty. With that, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please do leave a big fat thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. If this does happen to be the first video that you have seen by me, welcome to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, links to all my social media are down in the description below. Things like Discord, Patreon, Instagram, all that stuff. Description below, check it out. And leave a comment too if you guys are excited for getting these motors rebuilt just as much as I am. With that, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.